मीटिंग टुरिझम बजेट
रुटीन
सर रुडोल्फान लँड मागले तुमच्याकडे ग्राउंडा खातीर कितें
रुटीन इश्यूज कितें आशिल्ले ते
आयटीची लँड मागल्या तुमच्याकडे
ग्राउंडा ताका विचार मरे सेमाक विचार आनी आयिल्ले ते कितें आसा ते सेमान तो उलयला
20,000 कितले तरी स्क्वेअर मिटर मागल्या
नेनी विश्वनाथ नेनी
अशें ताणें सांगला तुमी आशिल्ले म्हणून तुमी दोगूय एकठांय मेळून आशिल्ले म्हणून आयज हाडलेले
कंबायन मिटींग जाला
बाकीचे आसतले
कंबायन मिटींग जाला अशें म्हणटाले ते
विचार मरे लागा
मायकल लोबोन आयज एक स्टेटमेंट केला की जो फॉरेन टुरिस्टाचो डेटा आसा तो
कमी जाला
म्हणटा आनी
मायकल लोबो कडेन जाल्यार उलयता हांव कित्याक मायकल लोबो कित्याक तशें उलयता वीच अगेन आय थिंक एवरी MLA शूड बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू स्टे वॉट ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट फॅक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स वी हॅव सेट 3% रायज नाव इफ देर इज अ इशू इन कलंगूट और बागा I think there are modes of correction and I have called out and given a shout out. Jojo Sequeira हांगा आयिल्लो आतां आसा काय ना तो खबर ना पूण Jojo Sequeira, Michael Lobo, everybody along with tourism have to work together to glorify the past of Kalangut. कालांगुताची जितली स्टोरी उलयता तितली परत वयर वाडटली आमकां बरें काम करपा जाय and we are here to support. Whenever the Sarpanch is called out, whenever the MLA is called out, we have ensured that due support is given to them. But we will not compromise on any illegality or illegal touting or things which are happening which are giving a bad name. In terms of international footfalls, even January and February, आता मी मार्च पर्यंत पावले. International footfall तुमकां परत जाल्यार figures दिता. We are comfortably sailing through and we need cooperation of our friends like Michael also to give a positivity and positive message. हाजी समज कितें इश्यू आसा तेन्ना फोन मारून खंयच्या मनशाक ते उलोवंक जाय ते उलोवचें. समज आनी कितें करपलें जाल्यार I don't know, but I am very clear on one thing. That as far as tourism in Goa is concerned, we have crossed the national average and our numbers are better than last year. We are still working to get better numbers, but at the same time, we need good foreigners. It is not the numbers. We need good foreigners. 5 stars, 4 stars, which are being sold out. The foreigner कितले आसा ते पळय. At places where people are coming and staying in this type of properties also are spending tourists which are been coming. So, I mean, the overall data already सांगला. ताज्या खातीर आनी कितें तो सांगूंक सोदतालो आनी इट इज मिसइंटरप्रेटेड आय विल टॉक टू हिम एंड चेक वॉट
म्हणटात आमी स्टेक होल्डर आहोत आमच्याकडे डेटा असतो तिथं लोक येतात पोलीस स्टेशनमध्ये सी फॉर्म भरतात तिथं जर बघितलं तरी समजणार म्हणतात
हो ते आम्ही बघतोय ना कोणी सांगितलं बघत नाही म्हणून
ते म्हणतात की तो डेटा बघितला तर तो कमी आहे समजणार म्हणून
डेटा द्यावं इफ ही इज पुटिंग हिज डेटा अक्रॉस वी आर मोस्ट वेलकम टू लुक एट दॅट डेटा इफ ही इज गिविंग सम डेटा विच इज नॉट द डेटा विच वी हॅव then I don't know from where he has picked up the data. I am not the authority to right now tell whether the data is yes or no.
So you mean to say there is no drop of international tourists?
I think we have already said this. Why should we keep making news on everybody who wants to comment? It's a freedom of speech. Everybody can talk. 3% rise year to year. We have already given as figures. Domestic rise we have given as figures. We have told our vision document. We have told our plan. And in this plan, everybody has to participate. It cannot be that we don't want to participate and then blame something on the government. समज मोरजे टुरिस्ट वता कोलवा टुरिस्ट वता आनी खंय वता आनी समज कलंगूट कमी कितें जाला जाल्यार चिंतन बैठक सगळ्यांनी करचें पडटलें स्टेक होल्डर्स पंचायत MLA मिनिस्टर एवरीबडी हॅज टू सिट टुगेदर and I've given a shout out every time केन्ना तुमकां जाय ना सांगा करया म्हणून ते so I don't think there is maybe he must have had some issues somewhere let me check with him
so कालूय परतो ऍक्सिडेंट झाला ते वाढल्या
सबलेटिंग जे आसा
ते टुरिझम इज अ इंडस्ट्री तुम्ही सगळ्या हाडटा आणि डिपार्टमेंटाचेर ते हाडटात इट इज अ इंडस्ट्री बाय इटसेल्फ सो इंडस्ट्री विथ वॉट एवर आर देर आय थिंक लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर हॅपनिंग अराउंड यू विल सी मंथ टू मंथ थिंग्स विच विल बी अराउंड द प्लेस
शॅकच्या सबलेटिंगचा इश्यू झालाय तुम्ही सर्वे
शॅकचं पूर्ण क्लिअर आहे our traditional Goan shack owners who are Goans have been very clear that shack should not be sublet, including the president of the association and all the stakeholders. Year to year we have been doing it, but this year the instances when there was fire in one of the shacks, we realized it was an outsider. Murder in the shack, it was an outsider. So we have clearly taken a survey of everything. I think close to 99 shacks have been found to have violated the norms. Show cause has been issued to them. Reply आल्यावरती immediately ताबडतोब सबलेटिंग वरती immediate and strong action will be taken. गोवाचा धंदा कुणाला बाहेर वर्मा शर्मा cannot take it. And shack business is traditional Goans operating traditional business. It cannot be traditional go on renting out their premises. It is not in the check policy, and we will take strong action against this.
ज्यांनी सबलेट केलंय त्यांना पुढच्या वेळी कन्सिडर करणार की
नाही, जसं आम्ही आता लास्ट टाइम केलंय तसं ब्लॅकलिस्टिंग होणार अँड पीपल विल नॉट बी परमिटेड टू अप्लाय अगेन. वॉट एव्हर द प्रोव्हिजन इन द ऍक्ट इज फॉर व्हायोलेटिंग द शेक पॉलिसी, that will be applicable to the people who have sublet their checks.
एक तारीख
काशीनाथ शेट्येच्या इश्यूचेर कितें म्हणणें तुमचे तेका तडकाफडकी काढलो तो एक एक्शन घेतालो.
तुम्ही आता टॉपिक
नो एकूच तुमचो एक महत्वाचो न्ही, तुमी एक
इश्यूज
सरकारांतले
आसात ते हँडल
जबाबदार.
करपाक जाय. म्हाका सरकार सक्षम आसा हे हँडल करून घेवपाक. वी विल हँडल द इश्यूज.
रॉंग मेसेज वचूना एक लोकां भितर की बरो काम करपी ऑफिसराक काढलो आणि दुसरे कडेन घातलो आणि सरकार म्हणटा सुशासन म्हणटा.
It is a both sides have to be seen. As we agree what Kashinath Shetty is saying is right, I also personally disagree that the systems go down where hospitals, schools, bakiche everything just falls apart. That cannot be done. आम्ही 170-200 ऍप्लिकेशनां घेतिल्ली, ती तांची कॉपीज घेवन मेन कॉपीज घेवन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट गेल्ले. दे आर नोडल एजन्सी, दे नोडल एजंट वॉज नॉट अपॉइंटेड टिल देन who had to be a part of representing electricity department. In the meantime, these wires were cut. So I think there has been some miscommunication or somewhere something for which this had to happen. Just governance is a continuous process. The people who have done these things in the last number of years need to be brought in the ambit for which we initiated the process.
Okay.
With the ROW and other thing given to Department of IT, we have also initiated a process of taking nodal. In the meantime, this type of instances have happened, which shouldn't have happened. तुमका मिडियाक स्वतात अपलोड करपाक त्रास जाले आसतले मरे ते डेटा. सो ताज्या खातीर थोड्यो गजाल्यो म्हाका दिसता समजुतीन समज केल्यो. इट गिव्स अ थिंग, अ टाइम लिमिट हैज टू बी सेट for these people to ensure that they are in tune with compliance of what is required. We will ensure speedy part as far as the Gati Shakti portal and other things are concerned. We will try to move fast on that.
1 मार्च पासून कार्निवल सुरू होतं. यावेळीचं काय अट्रॅक्शन असणार?
ये ना सगळं पोलीस सांगितलं तर मग कार्निवल कशाला बघायला लोक
नाही येणार ना.
Come for carnival on 1st of March in Panjim. Enjoy the festival for the next 4 days. Carnival is starting from 1st to the 4th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. सो ते 4 दिसांक म्हाका दिसता सगळ्या मेन टाउनसान आसतलो. बाकीचे कितें आसा ते डिपार्टमेंटान ऑलरेडी तुमकां सांगिल्लें आसा.
परवरीच्या कमिटीने यावेळी हे केलंय ट्रॅफिकच्या त्याच्यामुळे.
आय थिंक दे हॅव बीन दे आले होते माझ्याकडे. सो आय सेड इट इज ॲडवायजेबल दॅट कीपिंग इन माइंड द नॉर्मल ट्रॅफिक विच इज देअर. कारण छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचं शिवजयंती मग त्याचा कार्यक्रम नो मोजो वे हेल्ड इन लोकेशन्स विच वी डीड विदाउट टचिंग एनी ट्रॅफिक नॉर क्रिएटिंग एनी ट्रॅफिक प्रॉब्लेम. But Shigmo and Carnival with the type of floats and everything, you need bigger infrastructure. So या वर्षाला आम्ही we postponed it also. Creates a lot of comfort line for daily commuters. फक्त परवरीचे नाही, पूर्ण गोवाचे जे will come and connect capital city or go from that side. That is the main artery for connecting to Goa, the capital city, Panaji. So that is why they decided that we should postpone it, and I have gone with them saying that let us postpone it this year. Next year we will do it in much better way. But this year, let us not take more risk on the traffic and regulations with the type of challenges we have while coming up the speedy and good work of the flyover.
कार्निवल आणि शिगमो सुद्धा हे वाटतं.
दोन्ही कार्निवल आणि शिगमो.
गती शक्ती पोर्टल ते म्हटलं की पण ते ISP ऑपरेटर्स म्हणतात की गती शक्ती पोर्टल फंक्शनिंग ना म्हणून. सो त्याच्या खातीर तांकां ऍप्लिकेशन करता
केला लाईव्ह फेब्रुवारीच्यान लाईव्ह आसा.
पण तेंच्यांनी त्याचा
चेक
उलयता
कर मरे, तू चेक कर, स्वता चेक करून म्हाका फोन मारून सांग.